If you're experiencing login issues with Zuger Kantonalbank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure that caps lock is not on and that there are no extra spaces. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in, reach out to Zuger Kantonalbank's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or reset your login credentials if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the bank's support team.